Apple is finally listening to Samsung. What's up guys, we're back and it seems like Apple has finally noticed the unrivaled dominance of Samsung in the world of foldables. We've already heard that Apple is working on a foldable iPhone or foldable iPad for the future, but all those have been rumors, nothing really timeline based until now. Out comes a massive report from Ming-Chi Kuo, one of the most trusted Apple leakster on the planet. He says that Apple could launch a 7.5-inch to 8-inch screen size foldable product, basically a Galaxy Fold kind of device that can transform from a tablet iPad stage to a normal iPhone. He says that this could happen in 2023, so still quite a long time to go. By that time, Samsung will already be at Galaxy Fold 5. But as we know, Apple is slow to adopt things, especially the crazy tech out there. Foldable market is growing at a pretty fast rate because Samsung is set to supply their OLED display to many brands including Xiaomi, Google, Oppo, Vivo. Most of these brands are set to release their foldable product this year. Market research firm Omidia expects that the foldable OLED sales will grow $2.1 billion revenue in 2021, which in comparison to last year is a 200% increase. Most of those OLED foldable display sales will be done by one brand, and that is Samsung. Samsung has almost tripled the number of sales of its Galaxy Fold 2 compared to its original Fold. With the death of the Note 21 Ultra, the hype for the Fold 3 will be even massive, and we can expect even bigger sales than the Galaxy Fold 2. 2023 is still far away, but we'll keep an eye on Apple's foldable iPhone, iPad development in the future. Also, Ming-Chi Kuo has dropped some more news regarding the future of iPhones, particularly the future of notch. This is one thing that people comment all the time on iPhone 13 leaks. So notch is still here to stay on the iPhone 13 lineup. It's gonna get a bit smaller, but it will get removed in the future, as Ming-Chi Kuo says that at least one iPhone in 2022 will feature a punch hole display. Ming-Chi Kuo further expects that if Apple has no problem with production and no problems in development, we might actually see all the iPhones in 2022 with the OLED punch hole. He doesn't mention how Apple will achieve this. Are they going to ditch the Face ID in favor of the in-screen Touch ID, which we know that they are working for the future iPhones? Either way, the notch will eventually be gone, but it's not gonna happen at least this year. Speaking of this year, once again, Ming-Chi Kuo says that 120Hz refresh rate is coming to the iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max. He says that Apple will be updating the ultra-wide-angle lens to f1.8 aperture, bigger batteries, so we can see iPhones performing even better in battery drain tests. Apple is also said to be using Qualcomm's X60 5G modem on all the future iPhone 13 models instead of the newest X65 5G modem, which we'll likely see on the Galaxy S22. As for the portless iPhone, Ming-Chi Kuo says that it's not gonna happen on the iPhone 13 series. Apple is still likely to stick with a Lightning port. The reason behind this is that the MagSafe ecosystem is not mature just yet, so they're very likely to stick with the Lightning port. And for some reason, if you're expecting them to switch to USB Type-C instead of Lightning, that's never gonna happen. They're gonna make as much money they can with their own Lightning port from third-party manufacturers, and when the time is right, which is probably next year, they're gonna go portless. Also, there's been some rumors saying that LiDAR scanner is coming to all iPhone 13 models. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, that's not right. It's gonna stay on the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max model. As for those who are expecting a newer iPhone SE model this year, that's also not gonna happen, at least until the first half of 2022. Ming-Chi Kuo says that Apple is likely to introduce a iPhone SE Plus that will have a similar design as the current iPhone SE 2020, but with upgraded internals and full-on 5G support. So that's it for today. Massive news regarding the future of Apple, with the upcoming iPhone switching to the punch hole panel, portless iPhone now expected to happen next year, and most importantly, an actual timeline-based leak of Apple's foldable product. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys don't know, my giveaway for the Galaxy Buds Pro is still live on the channel. Definitely check the link in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.